Hi everybody, this is Ashmita from Saurav's classes. Now here's presenting to you on the screen. These are questions from library science, information science question. Here we are going to solve multiple choice questions. So we are going to start off with question number 72. As you all can see, we are going to match list 1 with list 2. Coming to list 1, we have MARC tag, which has options like 0 to 0 tag, 100 tag, 300 tag and 700 tag. On the other hand, we have list 2, which has field, marks, a personal name main entry. Second, we have marks the physical description. Third, we have marks a personal name added entry. And fourthly, we have marks the international standard book number. So firstly, with the 0 to 0 tag, we can include marks the international standard book number. With 100 tag, we can include marks a personal name main entry. With 300 tag, we can include marks the personal physical description, and with 700 we can include a match with a marking a personal name added entry. So yes, we are going with A4, B1, C2 and the D3. All right, so that is our correct answer. Let's move over to the next question. Next question also is quite similar to the first one that we have done, and here we have list 1 with list 2. First one, we have quantitative approach and we are going to match it with PERT or CPM. Secondly, we have scientific management. We are going to match it with bureaucratic structure. Then we have behavioral approach. We are going to match it with theory X and Y. Organizational approach with Gantt chart. So yes, from here we can say that D1. So yes, D1 we have. Then we are going with C4. So C4, yes, the first one. Because we have matched these two, so definitely the rest are going. Okay, moving over to the next question now. The next question that we have on the list is match list 1 with list 2, and this gives us information regarding the digital library initiative with the institution which is involved during their inception creation. Coming to list 1, we have Alexandria Digital Library, ARCS, then we have Universal Digital Library, Project Gutenberg. On the other side, list 2 has Cornell University, University of California, University of Illinois and Carnegie Mellon University. So coming to Alexandria Digital Library, we can match it with University of California. ARCS, we can match it with Cornell University. Then Universal Digital Library, we can match it with Carnegie Mellon University, and Project Gutenberg we can match it with University of Illinois. Yes, so we are going with A2, then B1, then C4 and D3. So among the options we have A2. Yes, this one, number 3 is the correct option. A2, B1, C4 and D3. Next question that we have is once again dependent on the match the following. It has list 1 matching with list 2. In list 1 we have screen magnification software, screen reading software, speech synthesizer software and braille translation software. And with screen magnification software we can include Chrome, Vox. Actually it would be Vox. Then screen reading software we can match it with Microsoft Narrator. With speech synthesizer software we can include Vachak. With braille translation software we can include Megadots. So we are going with A4, B1, C2 and D3. So A4, B1, this one. Next question is, arrange the following software according to their year of origin in chronological order. Yes, we have DSpace, GSDL, ePrints and Omeka. Let's arrange them. So yes, if we arrange them, DL will come first because it originated in the 1990s. Then comes the ePrint. So first C, then B, then A, then D. Yes, option 1. Let me give some information regarding these things like GSDL, that is Greenstone Digital Library Software. This came about in the 1990s. It was first released during this time. Then came the ePrints. So ePrints were developed in the 2000s. So that's the second one we are coming across. Then we have DSpace. DSpace came about in 2002. Omeka first was released in 2007. Okay, moving over to the next question. So I'll be keeping this till here today. We are going to solve the other questions in the other videos. So if you want to follow the solutions, you can follow our channel. And if you are preparing for any kind of entrance exams or any kind of competitive examinations, then you can join our classes. You can just check the description box below. You will get all the details regarding our classes. We provide live lectures, recorded lectures, portal access that would be available to all the enrolled candidates 24/7. We also provide doubt clearing sessions, mock test facilities, and also study materials. Study materials you can get from Amazon and Flipkart also. Apart from that, if you want to directly buy them from us, then you can call us on the number and also contact us on the numbers provided in the description box below. So do give a check before leaving. Thank you for being with me till the end of this class. Again, let us meet in the other classes.